Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I'm going to show you some trade ideas we went over in the chat room from Thursday and into today. This is something that I think you can put to work into next week as well. Now it'll depend on where we open up, and it really does work better during a monthly expiration because that's when some of these big stocks will tend to gravitate more towards the psychological value that you're looking for consolidation at. But the main idea here, and we started this on Thursday morning, was you open up a trade where you're selling 3 of the $900 puts, and then you're buying 1 of some type of put that's going to be deeper in the money. So let's say like the 910 is the way that we structured this particular trade, and then you're buying 2 down here to make this a balanced, or at least an equidistant butterfly that is $10 wide. You're just switching up the ratio of the contracts that you're doing a bit. So here we have the 890. The math, when you put all of these trades together, was giving us a credit somewhere around $3. So you're initiating a spread that has a maximum risk of 700, a maximum profit of 1300, and then if you pin, you're getting very close to this, because the easiest way to put this is think about this structure that we've just discussed right here and what it is all worth when you get a close at something like 901. Well, the $890 puts fall off. They expire worthless. The 900s, they expire worthless. The part that was the most important structure part of the trade, those all expire where we are short the $900 puts. Okay, then the only thing you're left with is a long 910 put option that is worth $9. So you initiate the trade for the $3 credit, you close it for a $9 credit, and that yields a $12 profit. So if you understand the strategy in these really kind of unique points in time, they can be especially helpful, and it's one of my favorite ways of working butterflies. If you are familiar with this type of strategy, one that is often commented on is doing the iron fly, which is basically just shorting the straddle but then buying protection. Well, when you do that trade, and that trade actually worked really great this week too, but you will always have one of the short strikes that are in the money. So generally you enjoy having your short options out of the money, and by having a slightly directional bias like above 900, that's just a really great way to take advantage of those moves through the unbalanced, right? Because your short options stay out of the money, and it all just kind of came through very nicely there at the end of the day. So remember, the P&L open is just what's left over from these contracts, right? Those expire worthless, which is what we were expecting, but you really, take the profits through the exit of that position today. I could have left those to expire worthless, but I covered them for, a small debit. But at the end of the day, this is one of my favorite strategies. It's awesome to apply in Tesla. There is going to be a moment in time where everything we just discussed, I think you're going to be able to do it at 1,000, which is to say we're going to be sitting here on a Friday expiration. Maybe it's a weekly expiration, but Tesla's going to be getting ready to close right at 1,000, and if you put on some of those unbalanced butterflies the morning of or even the day before, I think they're going to make you some money. So I hope that was a helpful discussion. If you have any other questions, like I said, you can find me in the Simpler Trading chat room, and I hope to see you there.
Hey everybody, TG Watkins here with Simpler Trading. Are you looking for high probability trades sent directly to your phone through push alerts? Come join me for the Moxie Mastery program, where I send out great trades with precise entries and exits so that we don't have to worry about loser trades. One of my favorite features about the Moxie Mastery program is where you get to come in and join the live trading room once a month, where we get to review anything that you guys been looking at, any kind of questions, trades that we've had, and future trades that we have setting up. So go ahead and sign up today.